Many people think getting a truck driving job in Dubai is easy. In Dubai, this is called a heavy vehicle license or category 4 license. Truck drivers are always in demand in Dubai. If you know someone already working in Dubai, they might help you to get a job faster. How to become a truck driver in Dubai? Are you planning to work in Dubai as a truck driver in 2026? Then this video is exactly what you need. Many people think getting a truck driving job in Dubai is easy, but in reality, there are some specific requirements, the proper license processes, and things you must know before applying. In this video, I'll explain everything step by step, including eligibility, license process, salary, and important tips to avoid mistakes. So make sure you watch till end. Let's get into the topics. Who can apply? First, let's talk about who can actually become a truck driver in Dubai. To apply, you must be at least 21 years old. This is the minimum legal age for heavy vehicle drivers in UAE. You also need a valid passport and must be medically fit, because driving heavy vehicles requires good physical condition and alertness. Basic communication skills are important too. You don't need perfect English, but you should understand simple instructions in English and Hindi. And most importantly, you must have a valid UAE work visa. You cannot legally work in Dubai without a proper documentation. Next, heavy vehicle license process. Now, let's look at the most important step, getting your truck driving license. In Dubai, this is called a heavy vehicle license or category 4 license. Without this, you cannot drive truck legally. Here is how the process works. First, you need to join an approved driving school in the UAE. Then you will attend theory classes where you learn road rules, safety and traffic laws. After that, you must pass a theory test. Next comes practical training, where you learn how to handle large trucks on the road. Finally, you will take the RTA road test. If you pass this test, you will receive your heavy vehicle license. If you are already having a truck driving experience from your home country or other Gulf countries, the process can be faster and easier for you. So, next topic is job opportunities in Dubai. Once you get your license, the next step is finding a job. Truck drivers are always in demand in Dubai, especially industries like logistics, construction and transportation. You can apply for jobs through online job portals, company website and recruitment agents. Another effective way is through reference. If you know someone already working in Dubai, they might help you to get a job faster. Make sure you apply at trusted companies and avoid unknown agents. It is a scam. Next topic, salary and benefits. Now let's talk about the salary. A truck driver in Dubai is typically earns between 2,500 dirhams to 4,500 dirhams per month, depending on experience and the company. Some companies also offer additional benefits like free accommodation, overtime pay, food allowance and medical insurance. Experienced drivers or long distance drivers may earn even more. Here is the most important topics, which is important tips. Before you apply, here are some tips you should remember. Always avoid fake agents or job offers that seem too good to be true. Carefully read your employment contract before signing anything. Never work without a valid license or visa, because it leads to a serious legal problem in the UAE. And always choose the legal and safe path when applying for jobs. Here is the conclusion of the video. So yeah, that is everything you need to know about becoming a truck driver in Dubai. So just follow the proper steps and don't try to take a shortcut. Make sure all your documents and license are valid. Stay careful and avoid fake agents or officers. Thanks for watching.